Just a wee walk up International Drive after the hurricane. But a lot of the stuff has been cleaned up and cut up as we speak. So we're just going to let walk up to the other Rosen end to pick up a mobility scooter which was delivered to the wrong Rosen at our own mistake. If you look at the sign, it's fun doing. It's real. You hear all the leaf blowers nothing in the background. Gator Golf. Several gators in there.
Their phones out. I'm now, I can't do it.
The Cybertruck. That sounds totally destroyed. So there is some damage on International Drive. So we walked down to the dockside from the Rosen Inn to grab some food. So we have chicken tenders, a Coke Zero, a Sprite, a cheeseburger, and a bacon cheeseburger, all with fries, plus 2 Stroop waffles. And it came to $62. It's just wow. Gonna have to be the best chicken fillets. No Rio, how's your burger? Chicken tenders are not bad. How's your burger?
Good.
$62 worth.
Not that good.
When you come over to Florida, everyone needs to go into one of the Disney gift shops on the iPad or international gift. Great wee bargains. Some great wee bargains. We got a bit missing out the roof for the hurricane last night. I mean, some of the t-shirts are not bad at all.
And then when I came over, I was little. It was a we buy from
Right, yeah, Disney ones.
They're sparkly.
So you got a Rio?
Brian's Christmas present.
Look at the t-shirt over there.
I'm not sure if you can see it. There's a fire engine turning down it. Kelly was hoping to hear the bullhorn. It's your favourite thing over here, is it?
Yeah, it is actually. I love it.
Taking that home with you, do you?
No, I'll go well Brenda's rat.
Our mouse. Some
Get our heads.
of the shops that are
It's in the gift shop. These t-shirts are kind of cool. 2 for $20. And this is them, the colours. The Steamboat Mickey on the back. The grey, the green, the blue. There's another grey here. And another blue. Always Steamboat Mickey. So Rio, what did you think of your first Disney gift shop?
Tat shop.
Taki. Alpha Taki.
But you loved it, didn't
You
you?
loved it really, did you?
Yeah.
I'm sure I've seen half of the two. So, Twisted Treat is open now, so maybe have a little visit over there tonight. And I've seen some other YouTube videos, and the ice cream over there looks amazing. So I think that's what the plan will be later after supper. But I think the rumour was that Longhorns was open, one of our favourite places, up the wife's favourite steak, so I think we'll be heading there later. So we're just making our way back to the hotel and maybe have a cheeky nap before supper time. Just a quick look at the menu. So we go back to the most important bit. Yeah.
What do you do other than that? Whenever he sits, if he sits down and puts up on the sits, it's on there's something there. Yeah, you got that.
So there'll be no well done steaks here on this vlog. Lucky people tonight, 2 boards of Longhorns bread. You've been waiting for that for a whole year, have you? Here's a quick look at Abdi's food. Yours is nice, Brenda. So Rio just ordered just his steak. Your rice needs like nice cutting.
Material bar.
Rice steak, medium rare. How's your Brussels? That fire grilled corn. Woo! Amazing.
There goes the liability.
Since when did the Shining Hair mobile scooter? Watch your twins then a step out at the end there. And she's gone forever.
You're right.
It must be running out of water, it's too slow.
It's maybe because